Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to use OrangeHRM Help portal. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the various aspects of OrangeHRM Help feature, helping you make the most out of this powerful tool. Help in OrangeHRM is a user-friendly resource that provides you with assistance and guidance on how to navigate through OrangeHRM effectively. It offers comprehensive articles, videos, facts, and contextual help to help you solve any issues you may encounter. To access the Help feature, simply log into your OrangeHRM account and navigate to the top right corner of any screen. You'll find a question mark icon. Once you click on it, now you will be redirected to the relevant Help article of the page you were accessing. Help articles consist of a brief description of the system page followed by a video demo. Next, you will see the navigation from the dashboard and descriptions of the content. OrangeHRM Help homepage is a centralized place where you can navigate and see all Help articles and videos very easily. You'll be presented with a user-friendly interface that allows you to search for specific topics or browse through different categories. The main page consists of various tabs such as HR Admin Handbooks, Employee Handbooks, IT Admin Handbooks, Facts, User Guides, Tips, System Features, API Documentation, Mobile Application, and Support Center. If you wanted to know how admin users can add an employee to OrangeHRM, you can easily access that article by navigating to the HR Admin Handbook section. And under Employee Management, you will see the article you required and all the other articles related to the employee management and every other module. You simply click on the article to view the content and the demo video related to the article. Or you can simply search the article by the keyword in the search bar. FAQ allow users to get simple answers to frequently asked questions about the features of the system. User guides contain detailed information which you can refer to regarding how you can use the system as a supervisor or ESS user, and the access levels available for each role. Under the New Features section, you can see all the newly introduced features with the release version in the system. Mobile Application contains all the mobile application features within the system. From the Support Center option, you can contact the support services of OrangeHRM or book a free demo to know about the system. And those are the uses and features available in OrangeHRM Help. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any further questions, please contact us at info@orangehrm.com or visit our website at www.orangehrm.com.